Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Bitcoin loan on Coinbase. First, sign in to your Coinbase account through the app or website if you don't have one. Create and verify a new account. Then complete identity verification, including KYC, with your government-issued ID and personal details, since loans require verified accounts. Next, ensure you hold enough Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet, as this will be used as collateral for the loan. After that, check your eligibility because Coinbase loans are not available in every country or state, so confirm availability in your region. Now, in the Coinbase app, navigate to the Borrow or Loan section. This may be under the Finance or Earn tabs, depending on updates. Then choose the loan type, as Coinbase typically lets you borrow cash like USD against your BTC holdings. After that, enter the loan amount you wish to borrow, and the platform will calculate the BTC collateral required. Next, review the interest rate, repayment schedule, and terms carefully before proceeding. Then confirm and submit your loan application, and Coinbase will lock the required BTC as collateral. After that, the borrowed amount, in USD or stablecoins, will be credited to your Coinbase account balance, ready for withdrawal or spending. Now make repayments through the app. According to the schedule, you can repay early if you want to reduce interest. Finally, once the loan is fully repaid, Coinbase will release your BTC collateral back into your wallet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.